So Miriam bought this Dyson rechargeable portable vacuum cleaner, and it works pretty good for a few minutes. But she was a little disappointed because she couldn't finish vacuuming the areas she wanted to vacuum in the house before it would die. And this little battery that is on it does not come off, so you have to take the whole unit and recharge it. So I realized that the Dyson wasn't quite what she wanted, but when I was in the tool store, I saw this Ryobi 18-volt lithium battery with a 4-amp battery, and they had it on sale. So I bought it, and I bought an additional battery. Well, as it turns out, this 4-amp battery will vacuum 4 times as long as the Dyson before it runs down. And if you're still vacuuming, all you have to do is remove the battery and put the other one in, and while this one recharges, you can continue vacuuming. So I think she looked at me kind of strangely when I came home from the tool store with a vacuum cleaner, but I've made a believer out of her. This is a good deal.